welcome back. I think tonight we're going to start on the Bronco. I've been putting it off for far too long, but I plan on repairing the inner and outer rockers, and I'll take you along the journey. Here's the inner rocker that I have for the driver's side. It doesn't have the holes in it to weld, so I have to put those in. But I figure I'm just gonna go along with this old one and drill holes where these ones were drilled. And I'll probably need to fill in some holes where I went too far. And I think I may be able to save this because that inner rocker butts up to the back of this piece, and this doesn't seem to be rusted through yet. So I'm going to clean this up. I may have to do a little patch right here, and of course I'll be getting a new door pillar, at least half of one, to replace this bottom part that's gone. And this is the outer rocker. It has the holes already pre-drilled for welding, but the bottom of them doesn't. I'm not really sure how to weld that on. I guess I can see if there's I don't know, I guess we'll just have to figure that out when we get there. But tonight, I think I'm going to be grinding this down right here and taking these welds off. And I got a few more still to go here, and then same thing over here. Take this off, that way maybe we can remove this outer rocker, and then we'll work on the inside. At least that's my plan. And I think I'm gonna order another floor for this because I think I need it so I can weld the inner rocker to it, and then the outer rocker to it. I think that's how it goes. Anyways, guess I'm gonna get to it. To me, it looks like there's 3 spot welds here, and if you can see it, 3 spot welds here, and there may be one right there. There's probably one right in there. But I think if I drill those out, then I could get a chisel and hammer and maybe separate this from the inner and see how that goes. That was kind of tough, but I think I got through enough where I can stick something behind there and pop that out. And then I'll just go along the seam and see where other spots are, which it looks like there's quite a bit through there. But we'll just take them one at a time. I kind of figured y'all didn't want to see me doing that for about 30 minutes, so I just went ahead and cut out the spot welds and put a chisel and hammer behind it and popped it loose all the way about halfway here. I still like the rest of this up here and those three there. And then I think try to bring it out and see if we can't get behind there and see how the bottom is attached to the inner. The bottom outer is attached to the bottom inner. I am not looking forward to these guys coming out. If any of y'all know how to get rid of them or deter them from coming in, that would help me out a lot, because my garage gets overrun with them every year, those and dirt daubers. But anyways, I think it's about time for me to go in. It's past midnight and I gotta go to work in the morning. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to go on this journey of new territory, doing body work or rust replacement, because I really have no idea what I'm doing, and we can learn on the way. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Good night.